Okay, my people, this na man on the street and I did for inside PG News Network. My people, this story where they bring corner from crosswater and for serious yawa they happen for there. This one for Ghana, they happen as be say some people don't carry bulldozer waka enter Nigeria embassy. We be Nigeria High Commission for Ghana. Take bulldozer begin scatter the full building down. What what happen? Nobody know. Now there's some Nigerian staff who there for the staff quarters there. As they come out, say what did they happen? Now one of they scatter our embassy. Now one of the leader they carry peace to come as I say, I beg more ship back for this matter because this one a serious national matter. So for now move anyhow, I go shoot anyhow.
He was having a pistol beside him, and he said the word he used was simple. He said, national security, everybody is behind him. So if any of us try, he will clear us off.
That's why they come pro, they come begin call lockdown for there, they begin call police. It reached like 1 hour before police come, and when police come, I say they waka like what could come, like say nothing they happen. When they come, he said they meet the Nigerian people, they go meet those people who they scatter the place, come begin greet them, they shake hands with them, come be like say they tell they say we well don't know for this work we wanna do.
The police when they came, they did not come to us, they did not go to any other person, but rather went straight to the man. You could see they know him, they had a friendly chat. After talking, exchanging numbers and other things, then they allow the bulldozer, the excavator to move.
He said, now this one come make all Lord Nigerian people come say, this one a serious drama and yawa. Now Ghana people they find make them not forget say Ghana Commission waiting for Nigeria. Now the heart of Abuja idea.
Our government should not go to sleep with this kind of display. This is not just national disgrace, this is an international disgrace for us. In fact, if Nigeria can be treated like this in Ghana, Ghana that we hold so much in our heart, Ghana that our government has held so much with our resources and everything, I don't think that we deserve this kind of treatment. And as I'm talking to you now, since I came here more than 2 hours, I haven't seen any security put here to protect the woman who is our acting high commissioner. The gate has been pulled down, no security. What would the woman do? I don't know. This is happening like it's like a movie, but it is real. And I want our government to do something to rise up to this occasion, because we cannot continue to take this insult. If this thing continue like this, we have a country. Ghanaian High Commission is at a very choice place in Abuja.
And this one come make everybody come, they wonder, say come, make the Ghana government quickly answer to this matter and quickly come build Nigeria embassy there. If not, the yawa will go happen, Ghana no go feel whole amo, may they no forget say because we get relationship, no come me say they will come begin to hit our head though, and sake of say person won't eat meat, no go cock cow on cool.
Please, the authorities should not allow this into life, because we Nigerians will not are going to allow this to go scot-free. Sincerely. If this is going to end the relationship between Nigeria and Ghana, I think we are ready for it.
This thing was done for in 1 hour. A good 1 hour, they were destroying this thing and there was nobody that come to protect us. So we Nigerians, we don't feel safe. I have not been to my house. I don't feel safe. I have nowhere to go. If bulldozers can come and pull down our high commission like this, then who am I? They could just take me and kill me on the street or cut my neck. This is how we are feeling right now.
It can't worry them, all of them say, they say even safe, the woman where they cheer Nigerian people there, where be say now be the high commissioner there, the woman there, she save her life, no they save, because everybody just they wonder for the matter. Say why Ghana go do like this, and up till now, Ghana government, they never talk anything for the matter. My people, we don't know this time whether Nigeria must go, or Ghana must go. This na PG News Network, and a man on the street be this.